Hello, welcome our live show. This is David from Dongguan Yide Machinery Company. We are leading candle machine manufacturing with more than 10 years experience. So we supply in the making candle machine. We have the full range of the candle machine, such as wax melting tank, the filling machine, and wick machine, like the wick cutting machine, the dipping machine, and the wick extension machine. Even we have the red diffuser filling machine, the liquid filling machine. We not only the seller, but also we provide the customized service. Yes, we have the professional engineer team and business team, so can give you the fast response. So 好久没有。
没事没事。
So are you a candle making? Are you a candle maker? If you are a candle maker, please leave your comment and follow us and give us some likes. If you are any question about the candle making process or something else, you can leave your comment and send me inquiry. Yes. Okay. Are you worried about the change the fragrance or color, or if you are you aware about if you take a lot of time to clean the tank, clean the pipe of the fragrance to change the another fragrance. So otherwise you can choose the professional candle machine to make the standard candle, which can save your cost of the fragrance and the wax. Yes, today I will introduce our hot cells, the wax and the fragrance mixing machine. So it can control control wax and the fragrance by separately pump, which can save the cost of the wax and the fragrance. Yes, and the accuracy is very high. It can up to 1 gram, one gram. So which can the most save the wax cost. Yeah, and it also changes the fragrance very fast. It only takes 1 to 2 hours, 1 to 2 minutes. Yes, 1 to 2 minutes is okay. Very fast and very easy to clean the pipe, to change another fragrance. Yes, and it's very intelligent, and it can also movable, very easy to convenient for the worker to filling process. Yes, next I will introduce the details of the machine. Okay. Yes, behind me is the wax and fragrance mixing machine. So you can see is a trolley type, and is made of the stainless steel material. And the pump we use the high grade. Use the highest grade pump, gel pump. As a food grade stainless steel material. Is very 18 rust. Yes. So you can see is the trolley type, and trolley type is very easy to move. Yes, and we have the balance to hold the heating pump. Yes, the pump has a heating function, which means it can avoid the wax. Yes, is very helpful to keep the wax, keep the filling temperature. Yes, and the balance is very friendly designed to worker for the worker making candle. Yes, and which the capacity is a 200 liter. 200 liter means can hold 10 at least 10 gram at least to 200 grams at the maximum and max. So is the electroheating type. Electroheating type means you need to add the water or oil in the jacket. Is the jacket type. The jacket type is double layer jacket design, and we design the cotton in store. We design the cotton inside of the jacket, which can keep the temperature very well. Okay, you can add the water or oil inside of the jacket. If you want to the temperature lower than 100 degrees, you can add the water. That is enough. If you want to more than 100 degrees, you can add the heating oil. Yes, it's a very good choice for keeping warming. Yeah. Okay. The details of the control system, we use the PLC touchscreen design. We use the PLC touchscreen design with some switch. And you can set the filling gram, filling speed, the fragrance value. It's okay. Just like set the parameter and one touch operation. Yes, and we have the mixer. The mixer function can speed up the melting time and mix the material evenly. Yes, and we also have the mixer protect, the temperature protect. If your temperature reach then set the temperature, then the mixer will start to work. Well, otherwise the mixer will not working. So this design is very very good to protect the mixer motor. The mixer motor, yes. Because some worker turn on the mixer when the wax has not melted. So the motor will broken. The motor will broken. So we design the temperature protect parameter is very friendly and the good protect the motor, the mixer motor. Yes. Let's talk about the PLC touchscreen. The PLC touch. If you have a special language, we can customize the special language for you. Yes, and enter the and it is set output. The field outputs means they will showing how many pieces you produce. Per day, one in the set output. If you set the output like 2000, and you can where then the machine output reach, then will stop automatically. It will come with two cups to and wax and valve separately. So also we have two parameter we need to set, like the wax and the fragrance. Like we need to fill 100 gram of the wax, so you just set 100, set the number of the 100. It's okay. And the wax you can check the fragrance, how much fragrance you want to mix in the 100 grams of the wax. So you can set the parameter like like the 10 gram is okay. Yeah. And we have a three heating pipe. One for heating pump, one for machine, and one for wax. Yes. The temperature is separately because it can showing the real temperature, and you can set the temperature request. Yes. The wax melter temperature we recommend to set the 70 Celsius degrees is okay. If the wax temperature we can recommend to set the we can recommend to set the 80 Celsius degrees. And the heating pipe. The wax pipe, you can according to your the filling temperature request. Yeah. All the parameter has to be set. You can turn on the heating pipe to start heat. Yes. And the parameter, just I told you, the fill speed can be adjusted. Why we design the fill speed can be adjusted? Because you may have some small size, big size. So you can adjust the fill speed according to your cup size. The cup size. Yes, the cup size is small. Is smaller. Then you can adjust the fill speed smoothly. Then keep the wax can not splash out. And if your container is bigger, then you can adjust the fast speed. Can help you make more production. And the maximum speed is 1,000. It's 1,800. And the minimum speed can reach 100 RPM per minute. Yes, and the temperature protect. We usually set the protect temperature is 60 Celsius degree. So then the temperature is reached the 60 Celsius degrees, then the mixer will start to work. Yes, and the speed the speed of the mixer can be adjusted by the control box. You can just adjust this small device. It's okay. So we suggest to adjust the speed not too fast, because the speed is too fast, then there will some bubbles in the wax. Yeah. And we have the revise. We have the revise. We revise parameter. It means can be adjusted the filling accuracy. The filling accuracy, yes. The filling accuracy can be adjusted because we test the machine use the common water. So it's different from the wax. So there will some difference between the wax and the water. So you can when you receive this machine, so you can use the water to test the filling accuracy at first. Then you can use the wax to test the machine at secondly. So then you can know the difference. Then you can adjust the accuracy by the PWD touchscreen just into the parameter and the reversal, and the password is 1212. It's 1212. Yes, the password is 1212. So you can adjust the number. Yes, you can just adjust the number. So if you want to know how to adjust the accuracy, you can leave your comments and send me your inquiry, and I can send you the details in the document, so you can have a reference. You can check it. And the most important of this machine, we have the fragrance test accurate error, because the fragrance test over few stops. At least if you want, if the machine fill 3 cups and fill 3 cups without fragrance, then the machine will allow to you to add the fragrance. Then this way it can keep the candle quality. Yes, it can keep the candle quality very well, and to save your cost of the wax. Okay, then next I will show you the inside of the wax, inside of the machine. Then I will show you the inside of the machine. So we have the cover. We have the cover to cover the tank, protect the temperature. Yes, you can see we have the mixer and the filter. Yes, the filter can avoid the impurity to keep the wax clean. And this is the mixer motor, and the fragrance pump, and then the fragrance filter. Then you can put the fragrance bottom on the platform. Then the fragrance pipe you can put inside of the bottom. Then you can turn on the machine. It's okay. Then this is the total. This is the switch of this is the
total switch.
This is the total switch. Then you can use this switch to control the machine stop and start. Yes, and this is This is the fragrance switch. The fragrance switch. You can use this to test the fragrance accuracy and change the fragrance. Yes, when you can see this small design, the small design. If you make the switch point inside, then the machine will mix with the wax through this gun. And if you turn to this way, then the fragrance will not mix with the wax. If you point this way, you point this way, then the fragrance will serve out by this pump, by this pipe. Yes, by this pipe, it means you need to change the fragrance or test the fragrance accurate. Yeah. And, the machine is electric, which means you need to add the auto or oil inside of the jacket. Yes, and how to know how we know the material enough or not inside of the jacket. We have the liquid device to showing to show the material enough or not, to avoid the dry heating. Yes, and you can see this is the outlet valve for the welcome. So this is the outlet for the wax, and this is for the heating oil or water. Yes.
好了，那我讲一讲。我讲讲，我试一下这台机，那不开。我打算念一下稿子。
念啊，
可以。
我之前不也是念稿子？ 哎呀，好累啊！不行，我要把这衣服脱了。
你不冷？
冷，但是我这个衣服穿的好累，有点重。
Hi everyone, this is Yani from Hawaii Machinery, and nice to meet you. Welcome to our live show. Yeah. Hi, welcome to our live show. This is our wholesale machine room. Yes, and this is our updated machine. We are leading manufacturers of candle making machine more than 9 years. We mainly sell wax melter, wax filling machine, wick machine, and candle production line. Yes, we have a series of candle productions and for Wonder to help us to deliver the machine. Yes, and this is our updated machine, and we have been continually updating our technological and equipment. And recently we went live with the machine that is state-of-the-art chemicals, the auto liquid filling machine. Yes. The main functions of the machine is saving label codes and filling and camping to the high standards of efficiencies. And I will give you the brief overview of the machine's workflow and the corresponding parameters. Yes, you can follow our live stream and follow us to know more machine details. And the process of the machine. Firstly, the filling motor controls the filling hand to complete precise filling. the suction cylinder, automatically starts up the inner plug and moves the rubber to the top of the car and then presses the plug. The car continues to move forward and the cabin cylinder automatically picks up the underlid and cap and complete the task of camping. And let's see the whole machine. The whole machine it has it can put on the corner of the wall space, and you can see this is a movable valve. It can very easy to move the machine. Yes, and this is the foot cup. The foot cup can make the machines work on a line, and the whole machine you can see that it's very small. And the machine, the power is 220 volt, 50 hertz single phase. It also can add a transformer to suitable for 110 volt, 60 hertz single phase. The power is 5 kilovolts. The filling range is 1 gram to 1 kg. And the filling speed is 1,800 revolts. It's adjustable. And the motor, we use the best motor, the servo motor. The servo motor can control the machine filling accurately and work efficiencies. And the machine size is 2.5 meter length and 1.4 meter width and 1.6 meter high. Yes, and the machine suitable for the car range is 16 centimeter height and 11 centimeter width. Dimension, yes. And the machine's output can reach 1,500 PC per hour. It has a high efficiency and can help you to save even 3 workers' salaries. And you can see the whole machine with the stainless steel 304 material, and it's controlled by the PLC touchscreen. Yes, the PLC touchscreen has the program. Yes, we can operate the whole machines according to the controller system, the PLC touchscreen. And this is the power switch, the total switch, start and stop, and the engine or auto. And the whole machine, the key part we made of food grain 316 material, and this is the cabin system. The cabin system is made of silicon material. It can make sure the cab will not damage. Yes, and you can see that this is a container. It's very nice, right? Yeah, if you do the home frequencies, this machine it must to add. From the appearance of the machine, the size of the machine is compact. The metal is pulless, flexible, placed in any position in the factory, doesn't occupy the wall space. Meanwhile, the whole machine is made of stainless steel 304. And key parts are made of food grain 316, which is wear resistant and durable, and reduce the cost of replacing parts. It can use 5 years, 10 years, even more. Yes, you don't need to change the component oftenly. It will help you to save cost. And you can see that the machine. Usually, we recommend to match with the front table. The front soldering table is an electric type. You can add this is the plug. The plug can connect with the main machine. You can see the plug. Only you need to connect with the machine and turn on the machine to work. The front table will auto moving the jars to the belt. Yeah, so only need one worker to put the jars here on the table. Yes. then this is the conveyor belt. The conveyor belt will auto moving, and the car will move to the conveyor belt and to the system, the filling system. Okay, and let's look at the filling system. The filling system is controlled by the servo motor. Filling by weight, filling accuracies can reach plus or minus 1 gram. Very accurate. This is the filling system. This is the motor. And moreover, the filling system can be adjusted according to the height of the cup, and the filling speed can be controlled and adjusted through the program to achieve smooth filling, so that there will be no splashing phenomenon. Yes. And then this is the cylinder. It can suck up the inner lip. Our technical support allows me to work with 100% accuracy and efficiency.
感觉你们看不到1个小时。
什么？
没事没事。
Let's see the
帮你关机。
这个叫什么？振动盘是怎么读啊 ？Hopper. Yeah, this is the hopper. It can separate the lip, the inner lip, the outer lip, negative and positive. Yes, and then this is it has the pneumatic type to move the inner lip to the machine smoothly. And this the hoppers the surface is printing the green 叫什么？对，保护层的 green 什么？怎么说啊？
保护层。
对，保护层。The machine is matched with 3 vibrating decisions, which are mainly used to separate the positive and negative of the lips. On the one hand, to save the labor costs. On the other hand, to improve the working efficiency. The vibration discs are made of stainless steel pseudofoam material, and the surface has a green printing process to prevent the products from being scratched due to the vibration, which makes the finished products made by the machines more beautiful. And this is the checking system. The robots can automatically pick up the material, automatically positions, and then accurately screw the cap. Of course, the height of the cap is also set by the program. Our engineer will repeat tests until they find the perfect tightness value. In addition, the robots that pick up the outer cover is made of the nylon to maximize the protections of the product's qualities. I guess you would ask if the functions of capping can be removed if you don't need it. Of course, you can. The flexible to customize the functions of the machine is one of the greatest strengths of our company. Yes, we have full experience engineer to customize the machine, and are coming to contact with many customers who have concerns about the operation of the machine. Right? Please rest assured that our company has professional engineers and professional service. We can provide instructions, manuals, and remote video to teaching. Besides, we have professional freight forwarder. We can provide CIF, DDP, FOB, ESW surveys. We can provide a one-stop service from the productions of the machines to resize of goods. And if the day's output needs 4,000 pieces, a machine outputs 1,500 pieces per hour. Only one worker to operate the machine, to work 3 hours to meet the demand. They only need to invest in the cost of the machines and a worker's salaries, and can ensure that each cup of the product finish quality is perfect. The high quality of the finished products can get a higher selling price, and quality earn back the cost of the machine. Why not to add to change your own work? Please feel free to leave the message including your plan arrow, voltage, power, plug, cup size, diameter, height, lead. I am very much looking forward to an in-depth conversations and cooperation with you. And we can, before the machine shakedown, it's better to receive your jar sample, lead sample to test the machine. So that when you receive the machine, you can use the machine directly and you don't need to change anything or to set any parameter. So it will help you to save your time. And also the machines has equipped with the sensor. Yes, these parts all have the sensor to help you to make the machines feeling accurately, tapping accurately. Yes. The machine usually needs to add the air compressor to work. And we can provide the air compressor, the mold, yes. And then when the finished chemical output, yes, it will send to the labeling machine. It usually matches the labeling machine to, you can see that this is the finished sample. We can use your label to test the labeling machine. No bubble, you can see that. It's very important. It's suitable for the job. Very nice. Yes. And the labeling machine also made of stainless steel 304 material. And this is a sample from. This is a label sample from American Candle Company. Yes, their label sample is very nice. Looks very nice. It's very beautiful. And we use their label to test the machine. This machine is booked by the American Candle Company. It can do the it has been added transformer to suitable for 110 volt 60 Hz single phase. Yes. It's very easy to use this machine. We can provide you the user menu and the teaching video to help you to use this. And usually before the machine shakedown, our engineer had tested repeatedly the suitable parameter. So when you use this, when you receive it, you don't need to change anything. 它这个是贴。是贴这个吗？ The machine is also controlled by the PLC touch screen. We need to connect with the air pipe. Are you a scented candle maker? If you are a scented candle maker, I recommend this machine for you. It can realize to auto at mixing the fragrances with the wells slowly, and you can make sure the fragrances will not release, and it also can solve the problem like you need. But in the production, you need to change the fragrance oftenly, and you need to spend a lot of time to clean the tube, to clean the machines, and to change the frequency, right? So this machine can help you to save the working time and to improve your working efficiencies, because the machines change the different frequency only need 3 minutes. And if you're familiar with the machines, you can change change the frequencies like 1 minute. Yeah, it's enough. So it's very easy.
如果要去长沙的话，找你。
And this machine, the standard capacity is 200 liter. We also can customize the 100 liter. It's the tank capacity you can choose according to your daily output. And the whole machine is controlled by the controller system. It has a PLC touchscreen and the switch. And the motor, we use the servo motor to make sure the machine can feel accurately with one gun arrow. And the whole machine, the material is used stainless steel 304 material. And this machine has a 2 pump, the wax pump and the fragrance pump. This is the fragrance pump. You really need, and this is the fragrance tube. You really need to put this fragrance pump and tube into the fragrance container. And the fragrances will improve from the container to the tube and to the machine. And this is the tank. You can see the tank. Hi, welcome. Hi, nice to meet you. This is Yani from Dongguan the Machinery. We mainly do with melter, with filling machine and wick machine, and the candle production line. If you are a scented candle maker or tea-light candle maker or candle maker, you can follow our live stream to know more machine details. And now I introduce you to our usually scented candle making machine. This is the wax and fragrance mixing machine. It has a wax pump and a fragrance pump, and it can realize to auto mixing the fragrance with the wax and very accurately. It can make sure that each candle has the same grain fragrance and same grain wax. And the tank capacity is 300 liter. You also can customize 100 liter. And this is a electric-type tank. It has a 3 heating pipe inside the machine. And we need to add, it's the double layer design, and we need to add oil water into this inlet. In this inlet, so the machine will heat the water or oil first, then to heat the wells indirectly. It can make sure the wells will not heat over. Yes, and it has when the machine is heating, the water and oil will release. So it has an indicator to help you to show the water or oil level. Yeah, so when the oil or water down like 80% of the indicator, and you need to add again the water or oil. Yes, and the tank inside, you can see that it has a mixer. This is the mixer motor. You can add a color in the tank, and the mixer will help you to mix the wells with the color. Yes, and this is the tube, the filling tube. It has a heating function. This is the tube. It has a heating function. It can the heating tank can reach the 0 to 120 degrees. Yes, and you can set this tube to heat. So you don't need to worry about the wells cooling or breaking in this tube. And this is the switch, the total switch. You can press this, or you only need to one hand to hold this filling tube and to press the button to fill. Oh. 对，那个没有关。Press one time and it will fill one time. This is the interval mode. And this is the tube. Is the fragrance tube. You can see that this is the fragrance pump, right? The fragrance pump put into the fragrance container, and when you want to mix with the fragrance with the valve, you need to turn on the fragrance switch. Yeah, turn on the fragrance switch, and then the fragrance will include from this tube and through this handle to mix with the valve flow. And so we can the fragrance will not release. So we can make sure that each candle have the same gram fragrances.
再播2分钟吧，播个5
And
分
this
钟。
is the filling nozzle. The filling nozzle made of stainless steel 304 material,
他妈
and
的，
it
那
has
么热
a
真
fragrance
气人！
filter screens
这么热真
inside
气
the filling nozzle. You can make sure the
他只问我他的机器怎么用，
and no
他
bubble. You know
这些
the
发货
bubble,
跟那些
no
他就
bubble is very important for the one for the candle quality, right? And this tube is 3 meters long and it's very
他那个线组装的怎么样？我不知道他线装的。再装是吧？对，
to
我没
use
说
this
过。
filling tube very easy. You only need to move this filling tube above the jar, yeah, and to press the total switch and to fill the wells. And let's see the control system. You can see that now our fragrance container without the fragrances, and it will has alarm to show us flavor error alarm. Yeah, it can show you that the machine lack of fragrances and it will stop to work. Yes, and we just only need to change another fragrances container and to clean this alarm, and then yeah, that's very easy, right? And this is the mixer adjuster. It can control the mixer mixing speed. Yes, the mixer mixing speed you can control by this. And let's see the PLC touchscreen. The PLC touchscreen has a filling brand. You can set the wells filling brand and frequency filling brand. Like the wells we set 100 and enter. And the frequency we set 10 gram. Enter. Then the machine will filling 100 gram wells and filling 10 gram fragrances very accurately. It has, let's see the, it also has a filling output. You can see that it can also remember the filling, the daily output. And this is the set output. You can set your daily output by yourself, like the 3,000 pieces or 1,000 pieces. And when the machine's filling output reach the set output, it can stop to work. 哎，没播，
没事没事，还在播还在播
没电了。
还在播。
尴尬。And this is the collect time. It means filling 100 gram need 1.62 seconds. And that's the category. The machine has three tabs. You can set that. That's the melting tab, and the pipe, this pipe, heating tab, and the wells tab. And the melter, the tab you can set according to your wells melting point. Like the soil wells melting point is 80 degrees, right? And we need to set the melter more higher than the melting point, like the 90. Enter. And the wells pipe we need to set 95 or 90 degrees. And the wells tab you can set 75 or 80 degrees. It's very easy, and you need to turn on. Yeah, you can see that it's on. It's working now. Yeah, it's working now. It's very easy to set it and operate it. And the machine has a very wonderful function. Is it has a revise. It can revise the filling grant. If the filling grant is not accurately, you can revise it manually. And the filling speed, you can change it like 1,000. The max speed is 1,800. And you also it's adjust according to your jar size. If you have the small size, you can change the small speed, the lower speed to fill. And if you have a big size, a big jar size, you can change the faster speed to fill. And the machine has a reversal function. And the mixer has a temperature tab. When the melter reach the temperature you set like 60 degrees, and the mixer will realize the auto turn to work.
小学可以来等一下。
为什么有这个？多了个这个。
它配那个传送带，就是配那个3米输送带的那种，就是把那个架在那里，然后就。
And the function screen, you can see that it has a wells count and a servant's count. You can set it and operate it by the PLC touch screen. The machine has 2 heating pipe. You can set one. You can turn on one pipe to work and one pipe not to work. It's okay, no problem. You only need to turn off or turn on one. Very easy. And this is the big disadvantages of this machine. It has frequency test and rate error. And you can set 0.5 gram, and the machine filling 3 times. When the machine filling 3 times, when the machine filling 3 times is not accurate according to you set, it will alarm, and to show you something is wrong, you need to revise the machine. Yes. It's very easy, and it also have the interval mode. The interval mode means press one time, filling one time, and press one time to fill according to your set gram, and then you will stop, and then you will. 照不到吗？没关系，就这样。OK。
这样才行。
Yes, and this is the whole machine's PLC touchscreen's operation. If you have any questions or you have confused any operations, you can let us know, and we will show you more details, like the teaching video and the user manual to help you to use this.
讲完了。
事情。
怎么办？
怎么？
没有。
要不看一下工厂，看一下库存量。
And then our factory is located in Zone 160, have a faster delivery and low read rates. And this is our candle production line. And we also have lots of machines in stock. My engineer, Mr. Lee, is testing the machine. Before the machine is shipped out, we will test this several times and it will use. We also you can use your week, use your pre-week, and use your week sustainer to test this machine. 哎，那我不用带这个麦了呀？
也在。
哦，这样子啊。哦，这样子。This wick cutting machine can cut the wick and clamp with the wick sustainer, and it's very popular in the Indian market. If you do the wick business, this machine is must to add. It's a electric type. It can work down the air compressors, and the whole machine is made of stainless steel 304 material, and it can suitable for various wick sustainer size and wick size, and and we also have the pneumatic type, but the pneumatic type needs to connect with the air compressors. If you have an air compressor, you can consider the pneumatic type, and the whole machine is controlled by the PLC touchscreen. You only need to enter the wick length you want by the PLC touchscreen. Then the machine will cut the wick accurately according to your set length. Yes. Hi, welcome to our live stream. Yes, this is our wick machine. The wick cutting machine, you know the wick is very important for the one candle quality, right? So use the best machine to cut the wick accurately and cut the wick with a high quality is very important. So we recommend you this machine to help you to save the labor cost and to improve your work efficiency. This machine, you can see that it can cut the wick with the wick sustainer. This is the pre-wick, and this is the wick sustainer. You can see that it's very big size, right? It also can clamp with other wick sustainer size. The small size, the big size is also is very suitable for our machine. You only need to let us know your wick sustainer size and pre-wick wick strength, and we will use the familiar wick sample and the wick sustainer sample to test the machine before the machine shipped out. So you don't need to worry about the operation or anything. We will test this repeated before the machine shipped out. And let's see the machine stock. We have lots of machine in stock, like the trolley cart, warehouse filling machine. If you are a scented candle maker, I would like to show you more details of the machines. And we have a wick roll. You can see that. Yes, we also provide the wick roll. 哦，走了，没人了，讨厌，没人了，59分，再播几秒钟，下播，播几分钟，1个小时。
你过来整理一下，拿这个。我的天啊！你这那个不留一点路不行的呀！啊？哪里的路？人家要空休息啊。
Yes, we are candle making machines manufacturer. We located in Dongguan. And if you want to know more details, please feel free to let us know and leave your comments. and I will show you our machine's details and the quotation. Okay, see you next time.